Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain the method of obtaining the projections of a straight line which is inclined to both horizontal plane and vertical plane. The problem goes like this. One end capital R of a straight line capital R is 70 mm long, is 20 mm above the horizontal plane and 20 mm in front of the vertical plane. The line is inclined at 30 degree to the horizontal plane. The front view of the line measures 45 mm. Draw its projections and determine its true inclination with the vertical plane. This problem is slightly different from the other 5 problems. As usual, there are 4 data which are given. The position of the end R is given, true length of the line is given, the length of the front view is given, and the inclination of the straight line with the horizontal plane is given. While solving the indirect problems of this category, solution can be obtained very easily if we draw the rough sketch of the direct type of solution diagram and mark the given data on it. Now let's find the projections of the given problem. Draw the XY line. It is given that point R is located 20 mm above the horizontal plane. Therefore, mark the front view point 20 mm above the XY line and name the projection as R dash. It is also given that the end R is located 20 mm in front of the vertical plane. Therefore, mark the projection 20 mm below the XY line and name the projection as small letter r. Next, we shall draw the locus line from the front view point. In this particular problem, instead of drawing the locus line to any length, we have to restrict the length of the locus line into 45 mm, which is equal to the length of the final front view. Name the endpoint of the locus line as S2 dash. Next, we shall draw the locus line from the top view point small r. Ensure that both the locus lines are parallel to XY line. When we refer the model diagram, we can understand that the end S2 dash is moving in the downward direction as a vertical straight line. In the same way, draw a vertical straight line from the endpoint S2 dash in the downward direction. When we refer the model diagram, we can understand that the true length line on the top view side starts from point R and it is ending on the vertical line which comes from S2 dash. Same thing can be applied in this particular diagram. With R as center, 70 mm as radius, that is the true length as radius, cut an arc on the vertical line which comes from the endpoint S2 dash. Name the point of intersection as S2. Join the point S2 with point R, which will give us the true length line on the top view side. Now we can able to draw the bottommost locus line through the endpoint S2, which will become the locus of end S. As we know the true length of the straight line and its true inclination with the horizontal plane, which is equal to 30 degree, we can able to draw the true length line on the front view side. Name the endpoint of the true length line as S1 dash. Now we can able to draw the topmost locus line through the endpoint S1 dash. This will become the locus of end S dash. Project the endpoint S1 dash vertically downwards and make it to intersect with the locus line which comes from the top view point small r. Name the point of intersection as S1. The new length RS1 will give us the length of the final top view. With R as center, RS1, that is the length of the final top view as radius, draw an arc in the downward direction and make it to intersect with the bottommost locus line. Name the point of intersection as small s. Join the point small s with small r, which will give us the final top view. Finally, we need to obtain the position and orientation of the final top view. With R dash as center, R dash S2 dash as radius, that is the length of the final front view, which is equal to 45 mm as radius, draw an arc in the upward direction to intersect with the topmost locus line. Name the point of intersection as S dash. Join the point S dash with R dash, which will give us the position and orientation of the final front view. Measure the angle between the locus line RS1 and the true length line on the top view side, which will give us the true inclination of the straight line with the vertical plane. Join the point S dash with point S. Ensure that the end projector S dash S and end projector R dash R are parallel to each other and perpendicular to XY line. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed. Don't forget to click the like button and give your comments. Also click the subscribe button to get the notifications on new videos in this channel. Visit this channel for more such videos.